Control devices. Computers can be used to control range of devices when connected through the sensors, such as sensor lights, sound buzzers, motor devices, robotic arms, traffic lights, etc. Soft copy output. Terminals. A terminal, when connected to a CPU, sends instructions directly to the computer. It is classified as dumb and intelligent terminals, depending upon the work situation. There are two types of intelligent terminals: general purpose, such as PC, and job-oriented terminal, such as airline reservation system. Dumb terminals is output device that enters and accepts data from CPU, and it is not fast and does not support much display features. Video display system. A monitor or display is an electronic visual display for computers. Monitor consists of display screen, circuitry, and enclosure. In modern devices, there is thin film LCD panel, while in older monitors, cathode ray tube CRT is used. Audio response unit. It is a device which enables computer to give spoken response by generating sounds similar to human speech. It is basically useful for those who are physically handicapped and not able to speak. By typing on keyboard, they are able to communicate using the spoken word. Directory enquirers at telecom services, multimedia presentations, etc. Disadvantage of voice output is it does not sound natural. Instead, it sounds in set of small electronic kind loop.